Welcome sa zip9.com. This video, itutuloy natin yung ating series on factoring, no? Sa previous video, sabi natin, ang pinakamadali, no, na gawin is to see whether a trinomial, no, is a perfect square. So, pinag-usapan natin paano ba i-factor yung trinomial, and ang unang strategy, no, is to look at the first term, no, at saka yung pinaka third term niya or last term. Tingnan mo kung parehong perfect square. These are both perfect square. Pero sa previous video, alam natin or na-solve natin na hindi pala ito perfect square. So usually, pag perfect square itong first term niya, tsaka perfect square ito, there's a big possibility na ang trinomial ay perfect square. Anyway, sasabihin ko muna yung factor nito, no? Tapos tignan natin. Ang factor nito ay 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 1. No? So, kung makikita niyo yung first term, yung 9x, no? Yung 9x squared is actually the product of these two, no? Yung 3x at saka 3x. So, the product of the first terms. Also, yung 4 is actually the product of 4 is the product of this factor. Yung pinaka last two terms niya. No? And of course, yung pinaka crucial dito ay nasa gitna, which is 15x. No? Sum siya ng product ng inner product and the outer product. So inner, ito is inner, and outer product. So yan yung mga dapat natin tandaan kung paano tayo mag-factor, no? Pag alam natin yan, mas madali tayong makakapag-factor ng general trinomial. So let's have our fifth example. Palitan natin yung kulay, no? What's the factor of x squared plus 7x plus 10? No? So, dito, pag ganito, x squared tapos may x yung gitna, may 10. Of course, ang pinaka-factor niya na x. No? Yung dalawang x nito, kagaya dito, ang product niya ay x squared. No? So, ang problemahin natin is yung last term, no? Kasi mahirap kung dito tayo titingin. Usually, sa first term tsaka last term. Again, this is the product of the term here and the term here, no? Product siya. So, ano bang factors ng 10? 1 at saka 10, tsaka 2 at saka 5. But since yung 7x is the product, or sorry, the sum of the inner and the outer. So, this is the inner and the outer. Alin ba dito ang sum ay 7? So, obviously, it's 2 and 5, no? So, wala na to. So, ibig sabihin, this is x plus 2, and x plus 5. So, pag chinek natin yan, pag chinek nyo na, may multiply nyo, ay babalik siya dito sa ano to. So, x squared plus 2x plus 5x, which is 7x. No? And then, yung last term niya ay 2 and 5, which is 10. Therefore, we are correct. Okay, so let's have our next example. We have what is the factor of x squared plus 9x minus 10. Baka nagtataka kayo bakit may mga putok, ano? May narinig kayo mga putok. Ano lang, kakatapos lang ng New Year, kaya yun, hindi pa natatapos yata yung iba. So again, we have x squared and negative 10. We have x and x. And from the previous video, pag minus 10 yung dulo natin, ibig sabihin, meron tayong isang plus tsaka meron tayong isang minus. Kasi the last product or the last term, product ng last term is negative. Therefore, positive tsaka negative. Okay? So, ano ba ang 10, no? Ano ba ang factors ng 10? 2 and 5, tsaka 1 and 10, no? Pero negative, so it's either we have negative 2 and 5, minus 2 and 5, we have 2 and minus 5, minus 1 and 10, tsaka minus 10 and 1. So, ang sum nila nung nasa gitna is plus 9, no? Plus 9x. So, saan yung sum nito as plus 9? Or positive 9? This one, no? So, x minus 1, x minus 1, and x plus 10. So, okay. So, pag chinek natin siya, we have x times x is x squared. And then we have the outer term. We have x and minus 1. We have minus x. And then we have plus 10x. And then yung pinaka-last term natin, minus 10. So this becomes x squared plus 9x minus 10, which is equal to this expression. So this is given natin. Therefore, this is a correct factorization. So, okay. So, pinaka-last example natin. We have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. We have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So, 2x squared can be factored into 2x. Factor din dito. Factor. So, 2x and x. And then, ang 3 is 1 and 3, no? So, it could be 1 and 3 or 2x plus 3 x plus 1. So, minsan pag ganito, kailangan mong tignan din kung alin ang mas tama, no? So, ito, pag nag-plus ka dito, x tsaka 6x, 7x siya, no? Tama. Ito yung ating pinaka-factor. Ito kasi magiging 3x tsaka 2x, magiging 5x yung middle term niya. So, 2x and x, we have 2x squared. And then, yung middle term natin is x plus 6x, which is 7x. And the last term natin ay 1 and 3. Product ng 1 and 3 is 3. Yung middle term, ina-add natin. So, x plus 6x, which is equal to 7x. So, this is our correct answer. 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. No? Okay? So minsan, or maybe I'll do it in the next video. Minsan ang pag malaki yung number dito, pag maraming factors, mas mahirap kasi mas maraming possibilities. Ito kasi 2x lang tsaka x, 2x squared lang, kaya ang only possible factors niyan ay 2x at saka x. But in the next video ay pag-aralan natin kung paano ba tignan din yung mga trinomials na may malalaking yung pinakaunang term nila, yung numerical coefficient. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko i-invite sa zip9.com. And of course, kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe sa ating channel, sa YouTube channel natin, you can just click the subscribe button below the video. Maraming salamat.